Saving a down payment for your first house can be challenging, but it is not impossible. In this video, we're going to give you 3 suggestions to get you on your way to start to saving for your down payment for your first home here in Canada. So the first thing you're going to want to do, like everything else in life, is create a plan. You want to be clear about the amount of money you need to save and how much time it's going to take you to save that money. In most cases, this is going to be 5% of the purchase price of the house, but if you can save up to 20% down payment, you will avoid CMHC insurance fee and you will enjoy a lower mortgage payment. After that, you're going to want to create a budget for you to follow. Once you create the budget, you're going to want to cut out any unnecessary spending, any monthly subscriptions that don't help you get towards your goal. You're also going to want to search ways that you can make more money. Now, this could be starting a side hustle or asking for a raise at work. The second thing you're going to want to do is to take advantage of government programs and initiatives. The Canadian government has several incentives for first-time home buyers to help them save for their first down payment on their house. The first one is the Home Buyer's Credit. The second is the Home Buyer's Plan, which allows you to take money out of your RRSP tax-free to go towards the down payment on your house. And the brand new, just introduced in 2023, is the First Home Savings Account. Now, this is a TFSA account where you can save money for your down payment. Now, the Home Buyer's Plan and the First Home Savings Account have 2 very different things you can do to save your down payments. We will get into those more into detail in another video. That way you can understand exactly what both of those things are and how you can take advantage of them. The third thing you're going to want to do is to save the windfalls and bonuses. When you get bonuses at work, a tax refund, or any other unexpected money, you're going to want to put that into an account and save it towards your down payment and not spend it. Every little bit counts. All of these windfalls will help you reach your goal of a down payment faster. And finally, don't give up. Yes, saving for a down payment can be challenging, but it is worth it in the end. By keeping your eyes on the prize and staying committed to your savings plan, you will be well on your way to owning your first home. Although it is tough to save for a down payment in Canada, it is not impossible. I see people do it all the time, and you can do it too. With a plan, discipline, and the right strategies, I know you'll be able to get there and make your home ownership dreams a reality. There's a link down in the description below you can use to book a one-on-one consultation with our team where we can help you map out your home ownership goals and help you achieve them. If you found any value in this video whatsoever, please hit that like button, subscribe, and that notification bell so you can help other people just like you find this video. If you like this video, then you're going to want to watch this video right here where I go through the difference between the Home Buyer's Plan and the First Home Savings Account. So I'll see you in the next video.